Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Roblox logo. Changing your Roblox logo can be done through your Roblox Studio if you are the owner or creator of the game. And this is how you can change the icon or the game logo and thumbnail for your Roblox game. So first, you can just open the Roblox Studio, this one. And then you can just go to the My Game sections and select the game for which you want to change the logo or icon. You can also do it on website. You can just go to the roblox.com and then go to create and choose manage my game and the game settings in the Roblox Studio. Just click on in the top left and select game settings. But if you're on the website, you can just click on the games gear and then select the game settings. In the game settings window, you can just go to the basic info tab and under the game icon, you'll see an options to upload a new image. Click on choose file and upload your new logo image and make sure that it's 512 times 512 pixel and PNG or JPEG format. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.